Hello and welcome to Master Maths. We're doing a Foundation Paper 1 non-calculator paper here. Look at a few questions. The first one on bar charts. A teacher asked the members of Languages Club which language is their favorite to study. And this dual bar chart shows some of the information. So we've got French here, Spanish here, and German there. First question says, more students selected French than selected Spanish. We've got a key here for boys and girls. So we're talking about totals here. Well, the French boys is 8 and French girls is 12, so their total is 20. Spanish boys is 10, Spanish girls is 5, so that's 15. So we have more French than Spanish. We've got 20 minus 15, so that's 5. 1 mark for reading off all the data off the bar chart. Then it says 9 girls selected German. We've got the boys, 4 there, and we've got to show the information on the dual bar chart up to 9. So there's 8, there's 10, so we'll go halfway, draw a line and then shade it in. Preferably use a ruler, but shade it in according to that key there. So that should give us that other mark there. Then it says, in total, how many students attended Languages Club? Well, as we saw for French, it was 8 plus 12. For Spanish, it was 10 plus 5. For German, definitely know it was 9 there and 4 there. 4 plus 9, so we had 20, 15, 13, 48, because 35, 40, 48. Okay, and that should give us a nice 4 marks in an exam. Let's now look at some algebra, some substitution. It says here that r equals 3u plus 4. Work out the value of r when u is 5. So just replace the u with 5. So that's 3 times 5 plus 4. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 4, and that's 19. Okay, so we have 19 there. Then it says work out the value of u when r is 43. So you could do some rearranging, or you could replace the r straight away. And now we have to solve for u. So I'm going to do balance method, opposite operation. I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. So I've subtracted 4 on both sides. We've talked about this in other videos, balance method, opposite operation, or rearranging, or really, we're just solving, okay? But it does involve substitution. Now I have to divide by 3 on both sides. 39 divided by 3, and 3u divided by 3. Those will cancel. 39 divided by 3 is 13. So that should give us another nice 4 marks. So first question was data, bar charts. Now we're looking at algebra. I'm going to go to a couple of pages ahead and look at frequency trees. Here it says there are 140 students in year 7. 75 are male. 13 males were late to school. And 8 females were late to school. So let's put this data in. They've got the 140 there. 75 are male. And 13 of those males were late. And 8 females were late to school. So now, for 3 marks, we're going to complete this frequency tree. Well, I know that those two totals, it's like a sum-part model, 140 minus 75. Those two totals must add up to 140. 140 minus 75 is 65. And 75 minus 13 will give me not late. So 75 minus 13, which is 62. So 62, good. Most of those students are not late. And 13 were late. Now, for the females, 65 minus 8, again, those two add up to that one. 5 minus, so I've got to do that. 15, it's going to be 7. Get 57. And we can just check that. 57 plus 8 makes 65. 62 plus 13 makes 75. Really what I got to check is, does that all add up to 140? 13 plus 56, I'm using my number bonds here. 13 plus 57, because I've got a 7 and a 3. That makes 70. Those two make 70. So I know it adds up to 140. So I should have those 3 marks. Then it also includes probability. Whenever you've got a table like this, or like a two-way table or a chart like this, frequency tree, you can use probability. One student is picked at random, and we're going to write down the probability this student is a male that was late. So we know the males that are late, 13 of the 140 were males that were late. So the probability of being a male and late is 13 out of 140. It's only 1 mark, because really it's just saying, do you understand where to get that information? There's no calculation. This previous one with the frequency trees, I had to do at least 3 calculations. But there, only had to do 1 calculation. So one read off the data, no calculations. But make sure you've got a denominator there, because it's a probability as well. Okay, so we've done bar charts, we've done algebra with substitution, and then we've done some frequency trees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and good luck for your exams.